Hey everybody, Corey Peterson with another Kahuna Concepts coming at you. Today I want to talk about something that happens quite often, and how do you deal with when investors tell you and say, no, Corey, I don't want to do that deal. I don't like that deal. Or, man, I just don't think it's right for me, okay? That can be a real intimidating, especially when you're first starting and you think you've created the best deal setup that you've looked and scoured through, and you've done the underwriting, you've visited the property, it looks good, you think that it has all the right problems that you can fix, and then you send it out to your investors and you start having conversations, and some of them say, yeah, I don't think it's a deal. And it can be very demoralizing, right? And so how do you get through that? So what I've learned is to never take this personal. By the way, no doesn't mean no. No just means no for like right now. But what I've found is this. Usually what really is happening is that your investors need to know, K-N-O-W, more. Really, a confused mind just says no. So maybe in your pitch deck, or maybe there's something that you did that doesn't quite make sense to them. And how do you understand when they say no? You really got to take it back and pull yourself out of it and not get emotional and just say, well, can you tell me exactly why you don't like this deal? I'm just curious so I can understand, because I want to present you deals that you would like. And they'll start telling you what they like. And sometimes that's okay. Sometimes your investors are not really a fit for you, and vice versa. And that's okay. But most of the time, it's because, especially if they're new investors, they're nervous and they're scared. And what they're really saying is, I may not know, like, and trust you enough yet to give you my money. Here's how you solve it, is by consistently giving them more information. So when investors don't do a deal with you, doesn't mean that you stop there. Sometimes it's good to drip every once in a while and say, hey, John, here's the deal that you said no to, but I just want to send you the financials. I want to show you where we're at in the performance. Would have loved to got you in this deal, but I knew it wasn't right for you. And then they start seeing you operate in the numbers. That no can turn into an absolute yes, but it just takes time to nurture. Most of this game is about nurturing your investor pool, getting to them to really know, like, and trust you to the point where then when you do have a deal, they quickly want to come in. It really is, no's not a bad word, right? No is actually the first start into developing a really huge potential relationship, because no just means they don't understand you enough, and you probably don't understand them enough. So it's a great signal for you that you want to get in better contact and get to know that investor even more. So this is a simple concept on when investors say no. Guys, if you want some huge success, I want to drive you to some free stuff of mine that I have. And if you'll go to Kahuna Wealth Builders, kahunawealthbuilders.com, and click on our Quick Start Workshop, I will give you a free video series on how to find money and how to find deals in the multifamily space. Take me up on the offer. Go to kahunawealthbuilders.com, click on the Quick Start Workshop, and start your journey today.